Hi, this is Carl Anderson alongside Dotson Guys with MarineMax Charleston, and we are fast approaching our favorite time of the year, which is the fall season in the Charleston area. Football is in full swing, the weather is starting to shift, but it also means that the fall boat show season is right around the corner.
That's right, Carl. We're having our second annual Boats, Brews, and Bands event here on Daniel Island.
We will have food trucks, drinks, live music, marine vendors, including the Mercury truck. Of course, ton of awesome boats in stock from our core brands, Scout, Boston Whaler, Sea Ray, and Aviara. We'll have incentives on all of our boat manufacturers, as well as our engine manufacturers, alongside with financing incentives.
Come by our store, MarineMax Charleston, at 142 Sportsman Island Drive off Daniel Island on Saturday, October 21st from 10 o'clock until 2 o'clock. Follow the link below for more event details, and we can't wait to see you there.